Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about awk command, AWK. It's similar to cut command, but it is like more powerful than that. So I'll show you. I have one file here. F.txt. Okay, I have f1.txt file where I have written some columns, each separated with comma. Okay, so here we'll write. Let's say I want to get the column 3. Awk. Okay, hyphen capital F. In cut command, D was used to separate the columns, but in awk command, F is used to separate the columns. It is capital F. Okay, F. Let's say comma, and then we'll need to write the script. Like you can say, let's say I want to get the third column. I need to write $3 means it will get the third column. Print means to print. Okay, I can execute the command here. Then I can write f1.txt. Now you can see I got 13 like third column here. Let's say I want to get multiple columns. I can give awk hyphen f that comma. Okay. Let's say print 3. I'll give some space here or some write something. This thing we could not do in cut command. Okay. Here we can like modify our output. Let's see. I want to get 7. Then let's say I can do this, then 8. Okay, then I'll write the comment like file name. Now you can see I got the third column, then 7 column, 8th column. Okay, one more thing you can do here. I have this file, right? Let's say I want to add the 7th column values after separating with comma. I can do that. Awk. Okay, hyphen f comma. So sum plus equal to $7 means this is a command. Okay, this is a script. Then I'll do this for each row. Like first sum will be 0 by default. Then it will come to the row 1. Then 7 seventh column will be added here in 17. After that it will come to second row. 27 will be added. Okay. Then when it will come to the end means I'll write end. Okay. At the end I want to write the value of sum. Okay. As we are writing a script here, we need to give curly braces. Okay. So now I need to give the file name. Sorry. We need to like remove this dollar here. So what happens when we give dollar? Let's say I give $1. Awk will think ki there is a column at like column 1 and it will print that. Let's say sum, I got the sum as some 100. Okay. And I give print like $100 means sum. It will think ki there is a column at 100 position, but there is no column here. We don't have any column like this. That's why it's giving null values like empty output. Okay. Now we can see we got the value. Like if we like add this column values, we'll get 416. So you can execute any kind of script here. Okay, not bash script. It's called gawk, Gawk. Okay, so one more thing. We can also print row number in the awk command. Just like, for example, if this file right now. Okay, awk hyphen f comma. Then I can write print nr means num row one space. Then I can let's say printing column 4. Okay, one space, and I am printing nf. I'll tell you what is NF. Then F1.txt. Okay. So you can see now, like these are the row numbers 1, 2, 3 to 8. These are the values. And what is 8? So we have here 7 commas are there. So number of fields will be 8, because this is one field, this is one field, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So NF means number of fields. So we have 8 fields, so 8 was printed here. So this is all about our command.